Here we go.
Here we go. Right. Good morning. This is Denise and I'm Ron. We have had problems over the years, many years, sleeping, and I don't have any problem sleeping, but my wife does, and when she has a problem sleeping, I have a problem sleeping, generally by elbows or knees or something like that. Not that I snore at all. We were introduced to this product by pure chance about 3 weeks ago and gave it a go. Took a few days to get used to it, and then it has been absolutely brilliant. My wife sleeps,
Much better.
and I sleep. I mean, it's fantastic.
It's really good.
Absolutely sold on it. We're really doing well, and I won't say it saved our marriage because our marriage has been around for 50 years, but it's certainly made improvements.